guys, in this video I am going to show you how to voice type in WhatsApp. Voice messages on WhatsApp are widely used for their convenience, but there's always the chance that the recipient might not be in a position to listen to them. To overcome this, WhatsApp offers a voice-to-text feature that allows you to dictate your message, which then gets converted to text. And here's how to do it. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to send a message. Tap on Message Input field to bring up the keyboard. Look for the microphone icon, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the spacebar or up there. Tap the microphone icon on the keyboard and start dictating your message. You can speak naturally and even include punctuation marks like commas, periods, exclamation points, etc. Once you finish dictating, you can either tap the keyboard icon to return to typing mode or hit the send button to dispatch your message as a text. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.